Hello everyone. In today's guide, I'll show you how to set any song as your ringtone on Android in 2026. This step-by-step method works on most modern Android devices and lets you personalize your phone with your favorite music. First, go to the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the sound customization options for your device. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Depending on your device, this option might also be labeled as Sound and Notification. Next, tap on Ringtone. If you're using a dual SIM phone, you'll see options for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Choose the SIM card you want to customize. Now, look for the add or plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your file manager or music library. Here you can browse through your stored audio files. Navigate to the folder where your desired song is saved. Select the song you want to use as your ringtone. Some devices may allow you to trim the audio so you can pick your favorite part of the song. Adjust it if needed, then tap Done, Save or Apply. The option name may vary depending on your phone brand. Once you confirm, your selected song will automatically be set as your ringtone. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Android ringtone using any song you like. This is a great way to make your phone feel more personal and unique. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out more Android tips and tricks.